Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to clear up vertical black lines or streaks on your Brother MFC-J815DW. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. You will need a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol to complete this procedure. Please note that a microfiber or screen clearing cloth will not work for this task. Neither will water. Be sure to always apply alcohol to the cloth and never directly to the machine. Black vertical lines that only occur on copied or scanned documents are normally caused by dirt, debris, or correction fluid on the scanner glass of the automatic document feeder. A thorough cleaning of this glass will usually resolve the problem. Let's begin by lifting the document cover of your Brother machine. Locate the automatic document scanner glass, which is the thin strip of glass located to the left of the main scanner glass. Wet the lint-free cloth with alcohol and clean the glass strip and pressure bar above it. Then run your finger along the glass strip and check for debris. If debris is found, concentrate cleaning on that area. Now close the document cover. Place a blank sheet of paper in the document feeder and make a copy. If black lines still appear on the copy, open the document cover and place the sheet on the scanner glass with the vertical lines face up. Use the vertical line to locate the problem area on the glass strip. Concentrate cleaning on this area. You may also need to use a slightly more abrasive cloth to clean the area. Wetting a coffee filter with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol works well for this task. It may require 3 or 4 cleanings to remove all dirt and debris. After each cleaning, make a copy from the document feeder to check your progress. Once a copy prints from the document feeder without black lines, the cleaning process is complete. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.